At the Pentagon, I did technology horizon scanning for the Undersecretary for Acquisition, and we were looking at disruptive technologies to maintain U.S. technological superiority. And we found, not surprisingly, that industry is moving faster than the government. To what we call impedance match that rate of innovation, we established a defense innovation unit up in Silicon Valley. What we found was that AI and autonomy would greatly enhance U.S. capabilities in the form of being able to react at machine speed. We looked at drones, swarms, a concept called man-machine teaming. When we briefed that, however, they said, yeah, this technology is very compelling, interesting, but we will never use this unless you can tell us what it's doing, why it's doing it, and how it's going to carry out my commander's intent. We had to take a step back and said, what's the real question we should be asking is, how do you build trust into AI systems? And so one of the things we're looking at RAND is what we call an algorithmic Bill of Rights.